King, if you want to get shredded, here are a few easy ways to save on calories.
Tip number one has been so helpful for me, and it's to avoid using cooking oil. And I know this sounds crazy, but hear me out. Use a non-stick pan and sometimes add a dash of water if you so please. Cooking oil is extremely dense in calories, and just to put in perspective, say you cook 3 meals a day using 1 tablespoon of cooking oil per meal. That's already 372 extra calories a day. A pound of body fat is roughly 3,500 calories. So by holding off on using that 1 little spoon of oil per meal and doing a little extra scraping, over the course of 10 days, you can lose a pound of body weight. Like and follow for more weight loss tips.